Alright, back with another video. Here we've got two Genie Promaxes on 8x8 wood doors, heavy overhead wood doors, on this custom house in Colorado, friend's house. So anyhow, this opener is dead. It's been dead for about 5 or so years now. It's just manual door. This one runs just fine. So we'll run this one right here. So the bottom one's the other door, which is dead, and then the top one's this one. So here we go. All right, I'll give you a peek of what the exterior of the doors look like. So you can kind of see here's what they look like. Big old wood doors. Yeah, so this one's been dead for about 5 years. This one, they think it's starting to go out, but I think it's just fine. I told them they want to replace them. I told them just to keep them running until this one dies. So, go ahead and run it back down. All right, so there you go. That's it.